right. Happy Monday morning, everyone.
Happy Monday.
Monday. We got some volume. 90K, 92K. We just got into a green trend here. Let's check out 520s. Let's see. Here we are. Maybe the 523s. 23. It's still not agreeing on the trend, so we're not going to enter anything yet. Okay, we got a 524 call around 68 cents. QQQ.
It's at 54, 58 cents right now.
Yeah, I'm not entering yet, but that's what I'm looking at. Volume's kind of low and decreasing. I need to see some more volume.
On Qs, the pre-market low is sitting below. There is pre-market high at 520, 521.15. The pre-market high. We are in 5 minutes, 5-minute range on Qs. 1.48. That's a decent range. SPY. Let's see what's the range for SPY.
Small range could mean big breakout.
I mean, the 5-minute range usually is smaller. 15-minute ranges is what I would to see. If it stays around in this range for the first 15 minutes, then we might have a better move.
Excuse me.
SPY also looks ranging so far. it has a smaller range so far than Qs. Qs is 1.5 approximately, and the SPY is 1.108. So SPY could have a far bigger move as compared to Qs.
Wait for SPY then. Oh yeah, might be on that downside too.
Yeah. It's touching the 5-minute or below right now.
That was strange. Did anyone see that candle that formed right here and then disappeared?
Yes, I did.
See if this green can engulf. So far, not enough strength on the upside.
Yeah, but the puts on the Qs are a lot more expensive as compared to SPY. SPY is at 591. I'm watching the 588 puts are at around 60 cents. For Qs, it's at 520, and 516 puts are around 60 cents. So 4 strikes out approximately on Qs versus 2 strikes out on SPY.
So yeah, SPY will pay more than. More volume though on Qs. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking down.
Stacks, did you get a chance to enable the webhook?
Or
Check my message once on the.
well, then the answer would be no.
Okay.
Was it last night or this morning?
This morning. Yeah. Could you enable it now?
Um,
Whenever you get few minutes in between, that's fine.
no, it's just that requires a server redeploy. I don't want to do that right this second.
Okay. Tesla weakness. AMD, Nvidia showing signs of strength. Apple showing strength. Amazon okayish. Microsoft choppy. Nvidia got rejected on pre-market high. Right.
Hey, so one of our new guys said that he joined the link and he doesn't see anything about this live call.
He joined the link.
The Discord link this morning.
You should see the voice channels. This
Yeah.
one is not locked.
Yeah, this is open to everyone. Looks like we might be breaking down, boys. It's still ranging, so there would not be any entry yet. The SPY,
Coming up to that 45-minute mark.
yeah.
I'll know in a minute.
So the 5-minute range is equal to 15-minute range at this point in time, so we might be able to see a bigger move. Hopefully to the downside for SPY. The options 588 puts on SPY is kind of inching up and now about 76 cents.
Good morning, Bayou.
Good morning, Bayou. SPY breaking down a lot better right now. The SPY 588 puts are at 80 cents, 81 cents right now.
Charts haven't quite agreed yet.
Correct. SPY chart is in red now. There you go, it's at 90.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we have green confirmation.
We have green confirmation.
587s are looking good now at 78.
587s are looking good.
At 80. Yep.
Yeah, wait for the pullback to enter the 587 puts.
We're still green over here. Attempting to retest. As if we close this candle without being able to come back up to 590.70, then we should continue to drop.
All right, keep going. I'm already in small puts. The 587 chart is green now.
Yep, I'm in also. I'm in
16%.
587 puts, average of 65 cents. Oh, I'm at 20%. Back down to 15%. %, 21, 22,
25%.
25. All right, I sold 3/4.
I sold 3/4 too.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Saban.
Howdy.
Howdy.
You dropped on, you hopped on.
Spy puts.
What are you guys trading?
Spy puts. Trading spy puts. Spy looks better than Q's right now. We just hit 25% on spy puts, 587. It's at 83 now.
Yep.
I'm waiting. I would like to see.
We're pushing again.
Yeah, we're pushing again. I would like to see pre-market low, which is 589.34. Come on, yes. Trimming some more here at pre-market low.
30%.
35%. I have a level here. If you guys
Nice.
see, if you guys saw the level, I have a level here at 589.33. If it breaks below that, then my next level is at 587.80. It could go all the way there.
I'm at 45%.
50%.
Nice. Let me put this on what I'm actually in. 587s. My bad. There we go.
Oh, I was wanting to sell some when it touched 200 EMA. I just missed it.
See if we reject the half range here. Just not enough strength. Let's see. So, right, if we wick above it, still want to close above it. Premiums are holding their price though.
Premiums are holding, that is correct.
Excuse me.
Come on, I need 2 more cents. All right, so I sold at at this half range. I sold few more, trimmed few more. I have 5 contracts left now. I would like to see it break, so I sold it here at this half range test of the option. I would like to see above that. I would like to see 1.15 or 588.60. It looks like the Qs are also wanting to go, but not as good as SPY right now. Qs a lot more wiki as compared to SPY. Come on, go for it. Break that level. Pull it.
Flush.
It's trying to hold the pre-market low.
Yeah, but wicks keep getting higher
So if it
as we go.
breaks, yeah, so if it breaks and closes above 590, take a little bit of a buffer, maybe 590.1, breaks and closes above that, then, I'll be out of all my position.
Maybe we can reject off the SMA right here. It's pink line.
Yeah, it's not closed above that, so I'm waiting for the close of the candle. Setup is still valid, still holding. Flush, SPY command flush.
It's like we're squeezing here.
Mm-hmm.
A channel upwards potentially.
Still not out. The candle isn't closed yet. Still not out of my runners. The volume on the pullback on green candles is low, so I'm not really sure at this point if it's actually reversing.
Excuse me.
All right, I'm gonna be out.
Yeah, same here. All out of that first play.
All out of first play, yeah.
Got out with just about 13%.
On account or the position?
On the account, it's 11.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I took 15 and left.
If that's what works for you, better safe than sorry.
Yeah, my balls were big enough.
Looks back to the orb low. So retested the orb low.
Friends on the YouTube channel, just put a comment or something whenever you guys get a chance.
On the YouTube stream.
Yeah. It helps the YouTube algorithm push things out further automatically. I've got 11 views and 3 concurrent users so far.
I'm just looking for that link. Which chat was it in?
I was in the trading ideas.
Okay.
It's rejecting the 15-minute orb. Now, the important thing to note here is that it did not break and close below the pre-market low, which gives less confidence on continuation of puts. So the next play, if it goes down, you should really see the break of pre-market low and hold there. Then we continue down further down to say 587s. On the Q's perspective, it actually got back inside the range, which is not a good thing for puts. You typically like to see a rejection at the range and then continue below, which SPY is doing, but the Q's isn't. Q's can potentially be a lot more choppy, although it did reject on the half range inside the orb, but still not a whole lot of confidence on that one. It didn't even touch the pre-market low actually. Apple and Meta looks to be coming down. Let's see. I'm gonna see if all right, Nvidia is choppy, Microsoft is trying to go down, Amazon trying to go down, Apple going down, testing pre-market low.
And we saw a new low.
Yeah.
It's usually a sign that we'll continue to push.
Yeah, and the big green candle on the pre-market low. Let's see what this does here. So someone can potentially enter this play at puts. The only challenge that you have to see is that if you enter puts here and you're targeting say pre-market low, the risk to reward might not be that much, and your stop loss could potentially be wide. So you typically want to see a smaller candle, so that your risk to reward is better. Especially the pullback candle. If it's smaller, I think it's a lot better. It's more cleaner. The break of the pullback candle, you could potentially enter more puts.
Break that previous low. Let's go.
It's definitely trying. I'm watching 586 puts right now. And we got ourselves a doji.
That's also what I'm watching. 68 is the lowest I've seen in the last minute or so. Thank you. Right on it though. I want to see it go lower, or else I'll assume that's going to be a triple bottom. There we go.
All
There
right,
we go.
enter on a pullback. All right, I'm in 5 contracts. I will add more once I get a pullback. It looks directional at this point in time. Just entering small here. I want to see
So
it
averaging
hold.
in.
Yeah. I want to see it stay below the pre-market low. That's what it is. Yeah, if it closes above the pre-market low, then I will not stay in this trade. All right, there you
Nice.
go.
A little bit lower.
There you go. Go for it. %.
Yep, I'm at 20%.
Pete, I sold at 19%. I'm out.
Excellent.
Excellent.
I bought
Got
like
something?
20. I bought 20 contracts on that one.
I only had enough for 3, but sold with 20% profit.
Watch it go 587.80. Let's go.
There we go. I'm out at 25%, and I got my runners left.
Yeah, I'm at 25%. Got runners left. Would be awesome. We see 500% today. That would be nice.
I was estimating low
Whoa, look at that candle. Did you see that candle?
volume because of the holidays, but it looks like we're still able to take some money here. Yeah, that's a big wick.
That's a big wick. I wonder what happened there. That's an institutional trade. I bet that was an institutional trade.
It wasn't enough to affect any of the premiums either. So
Yeah, that was a scary wick.
we're pushing now.
Yeah.
We are pushing.
So we've
Got that
covered
full range. Let's
two
see if we can
two
break
full
through.
ranges.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. See, 587.80. Keep going, keep
I think
going.
your runners actually
I'm at
might make
50.
money.
I'm at 50%.
Same here. Yep. 55%. I'm gonna trim one of them here at 55.
Yeah, I did the same. I got 2 runners left.
Same.
Nice. Well, I'll close out because I don't have any buying power left at a 14% account gain today.
Fantastic.
Excellent, dude. Thank you for joining us.
Exciting. Who's excited? I'm excited.
A little pre-holiday gains, I'll take it.
One more wick. Look at the one more wick. What is happening? What is going on?
Buy wick.
All at a double top for a dump.
I don't know what this wick is. Seriously, I mean, look at those 2 consecutive wicks.
Is that a hammer?
Yeah, that's a hammer. Yeah. Inverted hammer. But now I think it does definitely needs to break below this level for it to continue. Otherwise, this probably will not continue. Oh, look at that candle. Again, one more. There is something going on
A
for sure in the
triple
market. A triple wick at the same
triple
level,
top.
590. There's definitely some manipulation going on. And we caught it live actually. This is being recorded on YouTube. We caught the manipulation live. J Madrid, my man, you're quiet. Are you working?
Hardly like us, right?
I will catch y'all on tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day.
You as well,
Yeah,
Jay.
man.
You as well. Have a good day.
Take care.
Oh, a fourth time.
Fourth time. Wow.
I have not seen that before,
Never.
ever.
Yeah.
Have you sold yet? I'm sitting at 10% on my last two runners.
Same here. No, I have not sold yet. I would like to see how this plays out, honestly. I'm at break even now for the two runners.
Any other time I'd call that as a quad top, which would be a downtrend.
Well, that could also be like fake people out, and I mean that's a good thing. We trim and we take profits so that those wicks don't shake us out. A lot of people are holding for 100%. You know, they, so, so I would like to see here a rejection. I have not sold my runners yet. I would like to see here a rejection from pre-market low and continue move downward. If it breaks above, or I mean, if it closes above the pre-market low, then I'll get out. I'll just sell my runners off. Well, maybe not. Yeah, we'll see. I just got a very small runner position left. Really shouldn't hurt.
The most I'm going to let my runners go is negative 25%.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's not hit that yet.
I mean, I hit negative 20. I'm back down to negative 11.
Yeah, it's rejecting the pre-market low as well. Plus, with all this run up,
There we go.
the puts premium actually didn't move as much.
How did you open up the ETF plays this morning? Because Bayou is saying he can't see it, but everybody else can. And it must be because he newly joined
Did he join using the Discord or the WOP?
Discord.
Okay, so he does not have the role of soldier then in that case. Let me
Right. So is there a message anywhere that tells new joins to join the WAP?
It's in the getting started actually, but when I'm sharing the link for anyone, they're basically sharing just the WAP link directly for them.
Okay.
So you probably might need to ask him to just join using the WAP, and then he will automatically get it. Because if I assign him the role right now, then the WAP will not be able to control his role membership.
Understood. He's just saying that it wasn't easy for him to find the link or how to sign up.
Okay. Yeah, we can make that better. That's fine. It's in the getting started section in the requirements. I think we
Just
probably.
for a little bit, buddy.
Yeah, sometimes when I join a Discord, it makes me like have to like a message in order to see every other channel. So maybe y'all could add something like that.
Yeah, I think that could be the landing page or something like that. That will be nice. So we
Hey, and I had a question. I took that first call in the morning that the ETF called.
okay.
So like, why was that a bad trade?
Okay, I'll have to go back and check. It might not be battery, it might have moved really fast. So morning, I typically like to wait for, at least, close to about 15 minutes before we take the first trade because the volatility is so high that you could potentially be just in and out of the trade at that point in time. So
Gotcha.
that's one. The second is when the ETF alerts, we also watch the option chart. Like if you're seeing the screen right now, I think if you're seeing, you might be watching the stream that Stacks is showing right now. So we open up the options chart side by side to see what is that doing.
Got it.
So and if both the main chart and the option chart agree, at that point in time, we basically enter the trade. So we want to be in, the option chart to be in the green zone always. So J Madrid caught the second short entry. How many points did you make on MES or ES? Okay, J Madrid is in short. Another wick candle at the
Oh,
exact
another one.
same level.
To be entering however much it took and to know the math for it to hit that spot based off of the amount invested, that has to be institutional manipulation. To make it hit the same spot every time, you'd have to do the math for how much you need to affect the overall cost.
Exactly. Yeah. One more time. Yeah, at this point, I'm definitely not very comfortable entering any position because of this action, what's going on. We have to see it play it out itself.
Although we're not seeing that on Q's. Q's is running
Yeah, Q's is fine.
from entry at least.
Yeah, Q's is doing fine actually. It's above the pre-market low though, Q's. So if this structure breaks below 588.6 approximately, it might be a good entry to re-enter puts, or I mean, no, I'm holding runner, so I might as well add some. Because we are consistently below pre-market low, we keep closing below pre-market low.
Y'all think there's any chance of a reversal?
There could be. I mean, the reversal. So these wicks definitely are crazy. So if you come inside the pre-market low and close inside that, you definitely can see reversal and go at least. So the last it tested was the half range here approximately 591.15. Are you still holding your calls though?
See, the problem, well, not the problem is I just bought it and then I was working and then I opened it up again and I'm down like 60%. So,
Oh, okay.
cuz I just buy it and then I just put I just calculate whatever 20% would be and then I set a limit order.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, so I just let it do its thing cuz usually like even if it doesn't hit instantly, later on in the day it'll hit it at some point.
Let me see.
Yes.
What call did you enter?
Oh man. The first one it called today. Let me see which one that was. The 524 call at
524. Okay.
0.68.
Stacks, could you see once the 524 call when it called where it entered? 934. Yeah. You would want to wait at least for the first 5 minutes. That's what I would say, because the
Okay.
what we have is we create a range on the first 5 minutes, and you will see initially anytime you take a play, right? At least wait first 5 minutes. So you see this is the first 5 minute high, and
So
this
if
was
you're
the
seeing
first
my
5 minute
chart right
low.
here, if you're
No,
seeing
and
my
I
chart
know.
right here, it alerted on a red candle. So
Yeah.
we generally would not enter if we saw that it's falling right when the alert happens. But then we would have entered around this candle here. So you could have gotten in somewhere between like 57 and say 60 and then closed out at about 72.
Gotcha. How can I see that? Like what you're looking at?
So on the alerts, there's a link. See if you
Oh, okay, I see it.
and that will take you right to this options chart.
Got it.
Now to watch the options chart in real time in TradingView, you need to have an Opera subscription, which provides the real time. I think it's about $2 a month. So you subscribe to that, you'll see. Otherwise, it will be a delayed, like 10 minutes. I think it's 10 to 15 minutes delayed data otherwise. The puts might be looking good again shortly. If I start counting from here, this level, 590, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope that all the talking that we are doing is kind of helping with this analysis of why and where we are entering a play.
Yeah, it gives me some insight onto like the calls versus like what I should be like considering when buying the calls. Because to be honest, I just see the call, I buy it, and usually it just goes up. So, but obviously in the morning it's more volatile,
Yeah, it moves really fast.
which is usually it gets me to 25% really fast.
Yeah, it's a double-edged sword.
Yeah, exactly. Do all of you work from home?
Christmas
No, I'm
holidays,
in
right?
office today.
Gotcha.
I'm on Christmas holidays.
Nice. Get a Tuesday and Wednesday off.
I had a bunch of days left, and so I just took all of them.
Yeah, I'm off too. I work from home, and my company's on a 2-week furlough, so the entire company shut down.
Is that like a good or bad thing?
Oh, that's good. It's to give us all Christmas break.
Oh, okay. I don't know what I heard. Company shut down. I was like, damn.
It's a yearly thing. So.
Oh, okay. What industry do y'all work in?
Software.
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 Yeah, software.
How about you?
I work for a call center from home, but I'm about to graduate from college from biotechnology.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Nice.
biotechnology. So, what are you going to be studying, like vaccinations or diseases or
So
cures?
it's more of like it's like computer science and biology combined. So I can work in a wet lab, go to a lab, do experiments and stuff like that. Or I can just use, because there's so many databases of like data. Using those databases, I can make like findings and stuff.
Like research.
Yeah, like research, like computational research. So it's just a theory, and then I give it to the wet lab people, and they do it. I'll just have to see what jobs they're hiring.
You know, what stream is gonna benefit, in my opinion, the most with the quantum computing is probably biotechnology, especially, the whole gene computation and stuff like that.
Sequencing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
these huge computations happen that takes so much amount of time when they do like gene manipulation and things like those. Well, you never know. We probably might start to see Wolverines pretty soon roaming around. X-Men. A biotechnology lab generating people with superpowers with quantum computing.
It'd be nice if we just saw like a steady stream of cures coming through. The
I
computer
don't know
solved
about
all
that, man.
these.
I don't really want to cure anything because they all end up dead.
All right. We got lead
Hold up, guys.
trades.
What's up?
No, someone joined the stream. It is funny how we are inching upwards right now and just hovering around that pre-market low on SPY. The same on the Qs too. So we are above the pre-market low right now. We are at the 1 hour mark.
The
So
1 hour orb.
1 hour orb. This is what our 1 hour orb is. Low.
Orb 60. There we go.
Orb 60.
Yes. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, SMA. Come on, break that SMA.
Just waiting. Nothing interesting happening. Are you still holding on runners?
Yeah, I bought a couple. I bought a couple to bring my average down to 58. So I'm just waiting for a quick little,
Push
I
down.
guess like a scalp. I just need another one of these wicks to go down below the pink line here. It should get me what I need.
And another question I had, so there's like light red, dark red, and then light green, dark green. So like what is that based off of? Like is that like
It's
obviously it's high confidence, low confidence,
it's based off of the volume.
but is that like oh okay.
So generally, like if it's under 1200, then it will be the light color. And if it's over 2500, it will be the dark color.
Are you
And you would obviously want to take the dark colors. So yeah, sorry, go ahead.
you asking on the ETF plays colors, right? Not on the chart.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, they can all pay out, and I've seen even the low confidence one hit 1000%. So really you should be opening up the chart for every alert and to not enter on a red candle. But if you see that it's pumping green candles, then jump in.
Gotcha.
And entry might not be immediate either. You get the alert and you open up the chart, and then you can watch, say it's breaking down, you see some red candles, and then you see what looks to be a reversal, and you get some green candles, and it breaks the previous open of that last red candle, then you know you can enter there. And we'll be going over all of this in our education and how to use the alerts.
Yeah, like personally, I'm not like a super technical guy. Like I can look at a chart and see red and green, right? But like interpreting it and like understanding it, it's not really like I've tried to do it, it's just not like my vibe. So usually I just trust whatever other people be telling me because they obviously know what they're talking about. So like when I see it, sometimes I'll let it like play out for like 30 seconds to a minute and it'll just keep going up and I'll be like, "Damn, I missed it" because I don't want to get in anymore. But
Right,
then
you don't want to
sometimes
chase
I'll
it.
exactly. And then sometimes I'll be like, "Oh, let me wait." And then it goes down and I'm like, "Oh, it went down. Let me not get it anymore, you know." And then it just shoots back up. So I've just learned to just trust it. And if I like see that I kind of want to get it, I just get it instantly. Just let it play, do its thing. But I'll definitely start looking at that chart because I thought
Okay.
that link takes you to the Excel.
No, it opens up TradingView. And ooh, we just broke above that previous line that we kept retesting.
Yeah, it's testing the VWAP now. We're just waiting. It's nothing much happening right now. The YouTube live stream, I will end it in 20 minutes, the strike of 11 o'clock.
Okay.
$590 is a strong resistance. I think we've already seen what's going on here.
This was a ploy to get people to buy calls so that they can dump.
Yeah, there's a decent volume that came with this candle, which is kind of
And now we're
interesting.
decreasing again.
Yeah.
We're back in red trend over on the put side.
Yeah, exactly. I would like to see increasing volume on this downtrend. If not, then really we might actually be going back up. So is it a reversal yet? Possibly not, but you know, it's still choppy right now. We have to be increasing volume above 200 EMA to say we are, yeah, back up. There's definitely break of structure hinting for calls. Right, successfully needs to break these levels.
Yeah, even though it's kind of making a comeback, the theta killed my play.
Yes.
It would really have to pump then to make
Yeah.
that back up.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. You know, we about to hit 550 today.
The bottom bounced 3 times here.
Yeah, I'm guessing that if it comes back close to about 522 something, then if it breaks above pre-market high, you should be back in green on the call if you're still holding.
What do you think my break even is?
It's hard to say on the
522?
it's hard to say on the option chart, but on the main chart. But yeah, it all depends on how fast Qs can move up. If it decides to move up, if it moves up with a lot of volatility, then in that particular case, you'll be back in green because it triggers the delta really quick.
Yeah. So right now it says my break even price is 524.7.
524.7. No,
Yeah,
that's
so
because
that's
it's adding the intrinsic value and the extrinsic value, and that's where it is saying that your break-even price would be that. But even if it hits that, your option price might not be there because of the other Greeks that come into play, theta and everything else.
gotcha.
So if it moves up really, really fast with high volume, even your option contract can actually come in break even much before that because of the other Greeks that come into play.
The EMA 20 is about to cross over the EMA 8. I think it may have just done that.
On the option chart,
Yep.
it looks like the 587 piece might be coming back in green. Broke below the pre-market low one more time. So the other way to play this Remo is when you enter, put a stop limit. So if you're negative 25%, it sells. Positive 25% sells. That way you're safe on both sides. As soon as you enter, you could potentially just do that.
What are we doing here? What are we doing? Yes. We did break below this place that we keep touching at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and we just broke that.
So we got a Q's put alert 10:45.
Yeah, I mean, the Qs have been following the same exact trend, just without those manipulation candles.
Right.
So it'd be hard to trust that as well. There's our dump. Come on. Looks like bands are opening too, so we just need a dump.
Q's dumping too. Q's try to break the pre-market low. The volume was nice in the morning. Then the volume just died a lot. I just flush already so that we can be done with this. Testing the pre-market low again on SPY. That's a green candle with nice volume. Let's see if there's a follow through.
Premiums didn't move.
The call premiums?
Yeah.
Yeah, the direction is still bearish. Needs to have a follow through for it for making continuation. Okay, Qs have a little bit of a direction. Going back on the upside. So 200 EMA, it's rejecting there.
Calls are holding premium.
Rejection from the half range, going back below pre-market low. The previous candles could have been a fake out. Let's see.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Knife. There's 11. Are you cutting it?
Yeah, I think so. We'll just wait how this plays out, I guess, if we get another play. All right, folks. So everyone watching live on YouTube, we will be calling it a day. There's does not look like any more play at this point in time. We did 2 back-to-back 50% plays in the morning. Those were good ones. Now I think the market is just chopping. Yeah, so the morning session is over, and thanks for watching. You have a good one.